What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can activate a Revolut eSIM. Now once you purchased an eSIM on Revolut, you would need to activate it on your device. So this is how you do it for an Android device. Now just head over to your settings right here, and once you're in your settings, go ahead and tap on the connections right here. From there, go ahead and select the SIM manager option right here. Now, once you're on the SIM manager, just go ahead and tap on add an eSIM right here. So on this newly loaded menu, you can either scan a QR code of that eSIM, or you can just tap on search for eSIM. So as soon as you purchase an eSIM on Revolut, your Android device should be able to find it once you click search for eSIM. So you can just tap on it and then your phone will find it. But I don't have an eSIM purchased at the moment, so my phone can't find it. But if you're having issues with the search for eSIM option, you can always scan a QR code that Revolut gives you. So that's guys how you can activate your Revolut eSIM on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.